High in the Ethiopian highlands, a remarkable sight awaits. Imagine a primate, but not just any primate. Picture a creature with a flowing mane, a bright red chest, and a gaze full of intelligence. This is the Gelada monkey, a creature as unique and captivating as its mountainous home. Often called the Bleeding-Heart Baboon, the Gelada is a spectacle to behold. Its striking appearance is only the beginning of its allure. These monkeys navigate a world of steep cliffs and grassy meadows, their lives a symphony of social interaction and survival. The Gelada monkeys present a puzzle to the casual observer. They resemble baboons with their stout build and ground-dwelling habits. However, their classification tells a different story. Genetically, they are more closely aligned with macaques, diverging from their baboon cousins millions of years ago. This blend of baboon-like appearance and macaque lineage makes them a truly fascinating anomaly in the primate world. Their story is one of adaptation, resilience, and a social complexity that continues to intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The Ethiopian highlands, a landscape of dramatic contrasts, serves as the exclusive home to the Gelada monkeys. Here, towering peaks pierce the sky, their slopes painted with emerald meadows and shrouded in swirling mists. Within this breathtaking panorama, the Geladas have carved out their niche. They are masters of navigating the steep cliffs and rocky outcrops that define this region. Their agility is a testament to generations of adaptation. Their movements a dance between precarious edges and verdant slopes. Life in this high-altitude realm is harsh yet rewarding. The Geladas have adapted to thrive in a climate characterized by chilly nights and warm days. Their thick fur provides insulation against the elements, while their foraging habits reflect the seasonal bounty of the highlands. During the wet season, the meadows erupt in a colorful tapestry of grasses and herbs, providing a feast for the Geladas. As the dry season descends, they turn to roots and bulbs, their survival reliant on their intimate knowledge of their environment. The air of the Ethiopian highlands is alive with the sounds of the Gelada monkeys. Their calls, a chorus of grunts, barks, and chattering, echo across the valleys, painting a vibrant soundscape of their social interactions. These vocalizations are not merely noise, they are a complex language, conveying a range of emotions and information. From friendly greetings to warnings of danger, the Gelada's vocal repertoire is as intricate as their social structure. At the heart of Gelada society lies the band, a tightly knit unit composed of multiple females and their young, led by a dominant male. This harem-like structure forms the bedrock of their social organization. Within the band, life is a delicate balance of cooperation and competition. Females forge strong bonds, grooming each other and sharing the responsibility of raising their offspring. Meanwhile, males constantly vie for dominance, their social hierarchy reflected in their access to resources and mating opportunities. The Gelada monkey, often dubbed the Bleeding-Heart Baboon, is a creature of captivating contrasts. Its robust build and ground-dwelling habits evoke images of its baboon relatives, yet a closer look reveals a unique lineage. Their fur, a tapestry of browns and grays, provides excellent camouflage against the rocky backdrop of their highland home. However, it is the striking red patch on their chest that truly sets them apart. This vibrant splash of color, reminiscent of an open wound, is a key feature in their social signaling. In males, this chest patch is particularly prominent, often surrounded by a thick mane of hair that adds to their imposing appearance. This bright red beacon serves as a visual indicator of a male's dominance and virility. The more vibrant the color, the higher the male's standing within the troop. Females, on the other hand, sport a less conspicuous patch, their fur generally lighter in color. This sexual dimorphism, a clear distinction in appearance between males and females, plays a crucial role in their complex social dynamics. The Gelada monkey's face is a window into its emotional world. Unlike many primates that rely heavily on body language, Geladas communicate a surprising amount through subtle facial expressions. Their eyes, intelligent and observant, seem to reflect a deep understanding of their surroundings. Their lips, capable of a wide range of movements, are used to convey a variety of messages, from friendly greetings to threats of aggression. One of their most endearing expressions is the lip flip, a rapid retraction of the upper lip that exposes the gums and teeth. While this display might seem threatening to an outsider, it is actually a sign of appeasement or submission, often used by lower-ranking individuals to acknowledge the dominance of their superiors. In contrast, a stare with flattened ears and a furrowed brow signals aggression, a clear warning to rivals to back down. These nuanced facial expressions, combined with their vocalizations, create a sophisticated communication system that allows them to navigate their complex social hierarchy. Despite their robust build, Gelada monkeys are surprisingly agile. Their life in the Ethiopian highlands, a world of steep cliffs and rocky outcrops, has honed their movements to a fine art. They navigate treacherous slopes with ease, their powerful limbs propelling them up near vertical inclines. Their hands, dexterous and strong, grip the rocky terrain with confidence. Their agility is not merely for show, it is essential for their survival. The cliffs provide them with refuge from predators, their steep sides offering a safe haven from lions, leopards, and hyenas that roam the highlands. These rocky escarpments also serve as sleeping quarters, protecting them from the elements and nocturnal predators. As they move through their mountainous domain, they display a grace and confidence that belies their size, a testament to their adaptation to this challenging environment. Life in the Ethiopian highlands is a study in contrasts. The Gelada monkeys have adapted to thrive in this realm of extremes, where thin air meets rugged terrain and temperatures fluctuate dramatically. Their thick fur, a stark contrast to their primate cousins in warmer climates, provides crucial insulation against the chilly nights and high-altitude winds. During the day, they bask in the warm Ethiopian sun, their dark fur absorbing the heat. Their diet, too, reflects the seasonal rhythm of their environment. During the wet season, when the highlands erupt in a lush carpet of grasses and herbs, the geladas graze contentedly, their powerful jaws working tirelessly to grind down the tough vegetation. They are the only primates to have evolved such a specialized grass-based diet, a testament to their unique ecological niche. As the dry season descends and the landscape turns arid, they rely on their intimate knowledge of their territory to locate roots, bulbs, and seeds, ensuring their survival through times of scarcity. The social structure of Gelada monkeys is as intricate and fascinating as their highland home. At its core lies the band, a unit typically comprising 1 to 12 females, their young offspring, and a dominant male who presides over the group. This harem-like arrangement, while seemingly simple, is a delicate balance of power, alliance, and constant negotiation. The male, easily identifiable by his larger size, vibrant chest patch, and flowing mane, is the undisputed leader, responsible for protecting his band from rivals and predators. The females, the heart of the band, form strong bonds with each other, creating a complex web of relationships. These bonds are often forged through kinship, as mothers, daughters, and sisters remain together throughout their lives. However, friendships can also extend beyond family ties, with unrelated females forming close alliances. This intricate network of female relationships plays a crucial role in maintaining stability within the band. Communication is key to the Gelada's complex social lives, and they have developed a remarkable repertoire of vocalizations and visual displays. Their calls, ranging from guttural grunts to high-pitched barks, echo across the valleys, carrying messages of warning, appeasement, and social contact. A chorus of excited chatter often accompanies their morning foraging expeditions, while a sudden hush descends upon the group at the first sign of danger. But it is their facial expressions that truly set them apart from other primates. Their lip flip, A rapid retraction of the upper lip that exposes the gums and teeth is a particularly striking example. While seemingly aggressive, this display actually signals submission or appeasement, often used by lower-ranking individuals to acknowledge the dominance of their superiors. Conversely, a direct stare with ears flattened against the head is a clear sign of aggression, a challenge that can escalate into a physical confrontation if not heeded. Within the band, the bond between mother and offspring is paramount. From the moment a Gelada infant is born, it becomes the center of its mother's world. She cradles it protectively, nurses it frequently, and keeps it warm with her body heat. As the infant grows, she introduces it to the complexities of Gelada society, teaching it the nuances of their social hierarchy and the importance of maintaining strong social bonds. The other females in the band also play an active role in raising the young, particularly those who are related to the mother. This cooperative breeding system, where multiple individuals contribute to the care of offspring, is crucial for the survival of the young in the challenging highland environment. As the infants mature, they begin to explore their surroundings, their playful antics a source of constant amusement for the entire band. While Gelada society is built on cooperation and strong social bonds, it is not without its tensions. The dominant male, while enjoying the privileges of his position, faces constant challenges from rivals seeking to usurp his throne. These power struggles can be dramatic, involving displays of aggression, vocal threats, and even physical confrontations. The females, too, navigate a complex web of social relationships, constantly vying for status within the band. Their rank within the hierarchy determines their access to resources, such as prime feeding spots and preferred grooming partners. However, unlike the males who rely on aggression to assert their dominance, females often rely on more subtle tactics, such as forming alliances with other females or strategically supporting the dominant male. This constant interplay of cooperation and competition, played out against the backdrop of the Ethiopian highlands, makes the Gelada monkey one of the most fascinating and complex primates on Earth. The Gelada monkeys, with their complex social structures and expressive faces, have long captivated the attention of scientists. High in the Ethiopian highlands, researchers have established field sites to observe these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat, patiently unraveling the mysteries of their behavior and cognition. These studies, often spanning decades, provide invaluable insights into the minds of these highly social primates. One of the pioneers in Gelada research was Hans Kummer, a Swiss primatologist who began studying these monkeys in the 1960s. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for our understanding of their social organization, revealing the intricacies of their harem-based societies and the dynamics of male-male competition. Kummer's meticulous observations, documented over countless hours in the field, painted a vivid picture of Gelada life, showcasing their intelligence, adaptability, and the surprising subtlety of their communication. One of the most intriguing areas of Gelada research focuses on their distinctive red chest patches. Why have these primates evolved such a conspicuous signal, particularly in a landscape where blending in can be crucial for survival? Scientists believe that the answer lies in the complex interplay of sexual selection and social signaling. The intensity of the red coloration in males, researchers have found, is directly correlated with their testosterone levels. Dominant males, those who control access to females and resources, tend to have the brightest, most vibrant patches. This visual cue, easily discernible from a distance, serves as an honest signal of a male's fighting ability and genetic fitness, allowing rivals to assess each other without resorting to costly physical confrontations. The expressive faces of Gelada monkeys have also been a subject of intense study. Researchers, using sophisticated facial recognition software, have begun to decode the subtle nuances of their expressions, revealing a surprising depth of emotion in these primates. Their findings suggest that geladas possess a complex repertoire of facial expressions, each conveying specific information about their emotional state. The lip flip, for example, once thought to be a purely submissive display, has been shown to vary in intensity and duration depending on the social context. A brief, subtle lip flip might be used as a friendly greeting between close companions, while a prolonged, exaggerated display signals anxiety or fear in the face of a threat. These findings challenge our traditional understanding of primate communication, suggesting that geladas, like humans, are capable of expressing a wide range of emotions through subtle changes in their facial expressions. Beyond their social intelligence, gelada monkeys have also demonstrated impressive cognitive abilities in experimental settings. Studies have shown that they possess a keen spatial memory, essential for navigating their rugged terrain and remembering the locations of food sources. They have also displayed an aptitude for problem solving, successfully completing tasks that require them to understand cause and effect, manipulate objects, and even plan ahead. In one notable study, researchers presented geladas with a transparent tube containing a food reward out of reach at the bottom. The monkeys, after initially struggling to retrieve the treat, quickly learned to use sticks to push the reward up the tube and within reach. This innovative use of tools, a behavior rarely observed in the wild, highlights their adaptability and problem-solving prowess. These findings, combined with their complex social lives and expressive communication, paint a picture of the gelada monkey as a highly intelligent and adaptable primate, capable of navigating the challenges of its environment and thriving in one of the most extreme habitats on Earth. In the heart of the Ethiopian highlands, the gelada monkeys play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Their grazing habits, so finely tuned to the rhythms of the grasslands, shape the very landscape they inhabit. As they move across the meadows, their powerful jaws working tirelessly, they act as natural lawn mowers, preventing the overgrowth of certain plant species and creating space for others to thrive. Their presence, however, extends beyond their role as herbivores. Their droppings, rich in nutrients, act as natural fertilizers, enriching the soil and supporting the growth of a diverse array of plant life. This, in turn, provides sustenance for a multitude of other creatures, from insects and small mammals to birds and larger grazers, creating a complex web of life that is inextricably linked to the gelada's presence. The gelada monkeys, despite their resilience and adaptability, face an uncertain future. Their highland home, once a sanctuary, is increasingly threatened by human encroachment. As the human population grows, so too does the demand for land for agriculture, settlements, and infrastructure development. This relentless expansion encroaches upon the gelada's habitat, fragmenting their populations and limiting their access to vital resources. Climate change, too, casts a long shadow over their future. The Ethiopian highlands, like many mountainous regions around the world, are experiencing shifts in temperature and precipitation patterns, disrupting the delicate balance of their ecosystems. These changes can lead to droughts, reduced food availability, and increased competition for resources, putting additional pressure on already vulnerable gelada populations. The plight of the gelada monkeys is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of conservation efforts to protect our planet's biodiversity. Recognizing the threats facing these unique primates, conservation organizations, researchers, and local communities are working together to safeguard their future. These efforts encompass a multi-pronged approach, from establishing protected areas within their habitat to promoting sustainable land management practices that minimize human-wildlife conflict. Educating local communities about the importance of gelada conservation is also crucial, fostering a sense of stewardship and encouraging coexistence between humans and these remarkable primates.